Hello, in this video I want to show you how to ping stuff on a map in Baldur's Gate 3. And to do this you will need to click on Alt, hold it, then right click anywhere you want to ping. So for example, let's go for this open crate, and as you can see we just made a ping. Now there's also another option to do it, and you can find it on under your minimap, and here it is, ping. Now click anywhere, and that's basically it. You can also change the controls for this option in the settings and keybinds. Now let's try to find it. Yep, here it is, and you can adjust this however you like. Make sure to apply the settings afterwards. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.